Hello everyone, I am Charuta, founder of Urja Wellness and Joy. I am presenting quick general guidance angel card reading for you all. What you have to do is you have to choose your card, alright. I have also placed these sketch pens to help you make a choice. So I'll give you a few seconds to pick your card. So close your eyes, take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Alright, instinctively make a choice. Instinctively pick your card. Which sketch pen you are drawn to? Blue, yellow, orange or green? Alright. I hope you have made your choice. Now let's check the message. All those who selected blue sketch pen, let's check the messages. Alright, so you have drawn goodbye to the old, hello to the new. So it is clear guys, you are on the verge of entering into new phase in your life, and this phase is filled with positivity, blessings, excitements and opportunities. But angels are saying you need to prepare yourself for this phase. Alright, so you need to let go of everything that is not serving you. So it is time to let go of old habits, or it is a time to declutter your house. Alright, so you can give away all those old clothes or all those old stuff that you have stored in your house. Alright, angels are saying it is time to learn something new. Alright, you because a new old methods, old perspective or old way of thinking will not serve you in this new phase. Alright, so you need to prepare yourself thoroughly. It's like guys, updating new version of the software. Alright, so you have to do everything that is required to prepare yourself for the new phase. This is also time to let go of your past. So release that hurt, anger, jealousy, frustration. Also, if people are leaving you, let them go. Alright, you need to stay away from toxic and negative people. Alright, so this card is all about lots of changes happening, but those changes are happening for your highest good. Alright, and because this new phase demands new you. Alright, so many positive things are on the cards. Alright, so just prepare yourself well. All those who selected green sketch pen, let's check the messages. Alright, so you have drawn express your individuality card. So guys, it means that at certain level some kind of separation is happening for sure. You are getting affected by opinions of people around you, or you're thinking excessively what would others think. So angels are actually advising you to follow your heart. Alright, and following heart in everyday life. For example, if you want to wear red dress, alright, just go ahead and wear it. Don't get affected by opinion of your friend. Oh no, that red dress is not good. It will it's better if you wear the green dress. So right from this very small choices to life's major big choices, you have to follow your heart. You must express your true individuality. Alright, at some level you are afraid to express your preferences. Alright, so let people know who you are. They don't know, don't assume that they know what exactly do I want. No, you need to express it. Alright, in express here the word express doesn't mean you going out and telling out and explaining or telling people what you like. Let your work, instead let whatever you do in your life, let your work, alright, your activities reflect it. Alright, so guys, angels are clearly saying that you are unique. Okay, you must accept yourself. You must embrace your unique identity. Alright, and then let the world know about it. All those who selected red sketch pen, let's check the messages. Alright, so the card you have drawn is summer card. So guys, it is very clear that your wishes are going to come true in summer season. So till then you are advised to stay relaxed. Alright, if you have any worries, keep praying. Then there is a message that someone needs your help. So you must be there for people around you if they need you. All right, and offer your expertise, offer your advice, offer the help that they require. Then there is another message that don't take your loved ones for granted. Express what you feel for them, especially your children and your parents. There is another message that guys, you need to take life little lightly. All right, enjoy what you're doing in everyday life. Your focus should be joy. All right, so these were the messages from summer card. All those who selected yellow sketch pen, let's check the messages. Alright, so you have drawn dietary change card. So guys, it is clear that you need to make necessary changes in your diet, and I'm sure your body is giving you clear signs, and those intuitions, those inner feelings that okay, I should avoid eating XYZ type of food, or I should include XYZ type of food in my diet. So all those intuitive messages that you have been receiving, it is time to follow it. All right, also it is better to consult expert. All right, so it is just not about your body or just not about your diet. Whatever problem or challenges that you are going through currently, angels are advising you to speak to your seniors. So your seniors doesn't necessarily mean elderly people. It people who have more information, more knowledge, more experience than you. It is time to speak with them. Also, it is worth spending money and take experts advice. All right, so yes, you need to make some changes in your diet and follow all the messages that your body is trying to give you, and apart from that, you have to consult expert. Thank you for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this reading. Do subscribe to my channel. Do like this video if you have enjoyed the reading. Do share this video with your friends and family members, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye.